This is the unboxing and review of one of the most popular controllers out there. This is the Xbox Elite 2. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and compare it with the Series 1. Coming right up. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. If you enjoy tech content like this, you may want to subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss my future content. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back for another video. As always, remember to like this video if you enjoyed this and comment down below. So today we're gonna check out the Elite Series 2 controller for Xbox, and we're gonna go ahead and compare it with the Series 1. So about a month ago, I did a review of how to set up your controller, whether it's PS4 or Xbox controller, with your iPhone to play Fortnite. Now, I'm not a big time gamer, so as I was trying to demonstrate how this works out, a lot of people made fun of how I was playing the game. So trying to reclaim and redeem myself, I got my subject matter expert, my nephew Kasra, to come trying to help me out explaining why this controller is so special and is it worth $180. Alright, so Kasra, come on up, help me out here, trying to explain why the hell would I want to spend 180 bucks to trying to get this. But first of all, when did this controller come out?
It came out November 4th.
November 4th, and from what I understand, this is so popular now. The Series 1 is not is discontinued, so no one can really buy it. You still have yours.
Yes.
And Series 2 recently came out, and it's a very hot topic. A lot of people are trying to get it for Christmas and holiday gift, and it's really hard to try to get one, right? So it's exciting that we have one. Now, I may not understand the difference and advantages of this controller over a $60 one. So to try to give you a fair review of this very popular controller, so I thought I would get Kasra's help. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it first. As we go through this, I'm gonna rely on you, ask some questions so you guys can walk us through that. So at the front of the box, we have the image of the controller itself with kind of some sort of glossy fonts. It says Elite Series 2. On the side, we have all the features: Elite Wireless Controller Series 2, interchangeable D-pads, interchangeable thumbsticks, and 2 sets of paddle, carrying case, charging dock, and thumbstick adjustment tool, and a USB-C cable. So this is the content. Optimized for you: adjust thumbstick tension and select preferred thumbstick and D-pad, limitless customization, reassign buttons, tweak sensitivity, and switch profiles on the fly. And this requires an app to be able to go ahead and set that up, and hopefully Kasra can tell us about that. Extend your gameplay, stay the game with a rechargeable, long life battery and durable components. How long is the battery life in one full charge? 40 hours?
40 hours.
40 hours. Built for performance, fire faster with hair trigger locks, and achieve greater control with paddles. And I think this is one of the most exciting features for gamers. So let's try to open it up and see what we have inside. You don't need a cutter for this, kind of like an Apple-like unboxing experience, and it should just be a slide. Very nice. So Xbox green, and we have this has a bit of a weight to it. This is very heavy. This is probably the USB-C cable we have. This is a very long braided cable. We have some documents here. What do we got? Warranty info, no one's gonna read. Xbox Game Pass, 14-day free trial, and the actual owner's manual itself. So let's try to take a look at this. At the end of the day, this is why we're here. Do we have, all right, so this is just for a quick comparison, this is the Series 1 and this is the Series 2. Right off the bat, I can definitely feel Series 2 is heavier. Maybe that's the battery they're referencing. This is a very interesting unboxing experience. It's definitely very elegant. Everything's nicely fitted and tucked in. So this is the controller itself. In the front, your R1 and your R1, 2 and L1 and 2, they kind of have this gunmetal finish, and the rest of the body is matte black, and the handles are also matte black, but they have this plastic texture a little bit. Let's try to take a look at it. So how would you describe the difference between the two bodies? Because the actual physical shape of the two changed a little bit, right? Tell us about that.
Yes. So the new one is a lot heavier because of the battery inside, but it is smaller. It is a lot smaller and it feels a lot better.
Okay.
And the sticks are a lot more smoother. You can actually adjust how smooth or hard you want the sticks to be, the thumbsticks.
Okay. Looks like this is one of the main benefits and features of this year's is the fact that the battery is rechargeable. And last year wasn't like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you tell me about this case. Looks like you use the case to charge your battery. How does that work? Do you know?
So this is the charging station, I guess. I don't know what to call it. You just put it on there. You just put
nice.
The batteries.
So you don't have to take the battery off. You just looks like place it on and
yeah, you just place the controller on this. Yeah. I'm pretty sure, and it charges.
Oh, perfect.
Just like that.
And looks like there is a pass through at the end of the case itself, so we can pass through the USB-C cable to try to have it plugged in to the charger. So that way, every time you're trying to charge your controller, all you have to do is just place it here, and it looks like it has a very nice snug fit. It has these metal contacts, 3 metal contacts that will contact with the bars in the back of the controller, and that's how it charges. And it's magnetic too, so you can see right here. We are presented with a few other options. So this is the tool that is used to try to change the stiffness of
the thumbsticks.
The thumbsticks, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then we also have, right now, we have this round D-pad available on the controller. Another option we have is to try to replace it with a traditional D-pad, and they have put that in the case for us.
And it's pretty simple. You just take it off and put the other one on.
Oh, nice. No tools necessary.
Nope. The same with the...
Oh, it's magnetic.
Yes. Same with the thumbsticks. You just take them off, put it back on, just like that, magnetic.
Oh, beautiful. And it looks like we have different style and shapes of thumbsticks. So different heights, different shapes, and different textures. So competitor gamers, they actually take advantage of these paddles at the bottom. And do you want to explain to us what's the benefit of having paddles?
So when you're gaming, you have to take your thumb off of right stick to click A, B, Y, and X, and that gives you a delay basically in the game. So the benefit of having the paddles is that you can put the A, B, Y, and X as these paddles, so you can just click them just like that instead of taking your thumb off of right stick.
Okay, excellent. Let's talk about the left trigger and the right trigger first. So the previous one, it will give you an option to have 2 different travel length to try to see how fast you can activate this button, whether it's shooting or whatever you want to set it up. And the new one, you actually have 3 different settings. So the first one is full travel, the second one is mid-range, and the last one is very, very short trigger. So it's almost, I would say, maybe 2 millimeter of travel distance before you actually trigger this button. So that's one change. The other change is, looks like the paddles actually change, right? Maybe
yes, they're a lot shorter and smaller, and you can just take them off just like that. And as you can see, the old one, the Series 1, is a lot bigger and longer in length than the second one.
Okay. And are they interchangeable? So if someone likes the old one, can you still fit them to these?
Yes. You can. You just put it right in there.
Oh, just perfect. Like so they will still fit if somebody likes it and they have the old one.
Yes.
Excellent. So just a quick recap. So far, some of the changes and advantages are, looks like the biggest benefit is the battery, the rechargeable battery, and the fact that we have a charger in the case itself. The other big change is the overall shape and feel of it. So supposedly this will give the player a little bit of an advantage. Now right off the bat, like I said, it's the texture that will give you a better grip, and looks like the handles, they actually shape slightly different. And the other benefit is having a little bit shorter triggers, as well as being able to control the travel distance of your right trigger and left trigger in 3 different settings instead of 2. What else are we missing?
Another benefit is that on the old Elite controller, as you can see, you could have 2 profiles for which binds you would have to have with the controller, but with the new one, you can actually have 3.
And what are some of the things you can typically set in each profile?
You can do anything. You can do for X, you can do Y, or for RT, you can do
So it's
Y.
really the mapping, right?
Yes.
How you map it.
Yeah,
Okay.
how you map the controller. You can do anything with it.
Okay, excellent. I'm gonna have the link down in the description below if you guys want to buy one. This is an affiliate link, so if you guys are in the market to buy one, please use the link down in the description below. It's not gonna cost you anything more than what you would normally pay, but this is how you can support my channel so I can continue to create content like this for you. If this video will do extremely well, and I'm talking about 30-40,000 views, I have arranged with Kasra to try to go ahead, set up a giveaway of his 1st gen Elite. So if you're interested in that, please share this video, like and comment, and make sure you subscribe to be able to enter the drawing, and I will put more information about the drawing down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, and thank you so much for helping me out with this video.
Thank you for having me on the channel.
Yeah, awesome.